Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at Space Ghost. Okay, so you can see here Space Ghost from WizKids Heroclix. Okay, and this particular box contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, promotional figure, and the way that they're able to include Space Ghost is through his team up with Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo himself has been introduced in the Batman team up set. Okay. And we can see here Space Ghost, the complete pose. He is a space law enforcer, okay, a superhero, obviously. And you can see here another close-up and an exclusive figure for 2023. This one I was able to purchase with Larry's as part of the Spaaaaace. Okay, so 14 years old and up. And just to confirm, Warner Brothers, Scooby-Doo, WizKids collab 2023. Let's go ahead and open the box. As always, you should have both the figure and the card, the folded card. Let's see the card. Let's counterfold it. And the figure is here. Oops. Okay, Space Ghost, standing up, superhero pose, yellow cloak, white outfit. Let's not tap him up. Okay, Space Ghost. So I've heard a lot of hype for this particular character. Okay. As a 20 times 2 person, I am not yet born when this was released as an animation. I think way back 1966. Okay, but I've heard there is a newer animation called Space Ghost Coast to Coast, representing as well this figure. Okay, so the coat can be moved. That's good. Let's take a look at the card for Space Ghost. He is DC set 23-002. Space Ghost having the team player ability, meaning he can copy any team ability. He has the celebrity, cosmic, and police keyword. Okay, rightfully so, as he is a cosmic law enforcer slash host. Celebrity TV host. So he has a couple of traits: invisibility and intangibilities. The first one wherein he has stealth, super senses, and super strength. Okay, all the S's, 5 S's. And a second trait, John, Jace, and Blip. I don't know these three, perhaps other characters from the show, which grants him perplex. And if Space Ghost has no action tokens, he can use it twice a turn. So he can use it twice on the same character or twice for different characters, one each. When Space Ghost uses perplex and targets a friendly character, that character has safeguard, opposing probability control until your next turn. So that would be good to use for your primary attacker and secondary attacker, because their attack rolls cannot be rerolled. Okay, so he also has a special attack power, which is the power bands. I guess that would be it. The source of his powers. Free. Choose one or 4 Space Ghosts to use until he chooses again. First, Energy Explosion, Penetrating Psychic Blast, a great combo for range attack. Energy Shield Deflection, Invulnerability, a great combo for defensive purposes. and Force Blast as free TK, a great combo for support. And as I said, he has the team player ability, allowing him to copy friendly characters' team ability. Real name is Tad Ghostal. And appearance is Space Ghost number 1, 2004. As I said, a more recent iteration of Space Ghost. So he comes in at 3 starting lines, 80, 60, and 30. But I'm hearing a lot of individuals planning or using him at the 30-point line. Okay, 30 point because he has charge. Okay, just like his top dial. He has the special attack power throughout the dial anyway. Willpower of 18 and close combat expert 3. That would make him actually 11. Attack 4 damage at close. 5 range, 2 targets, and flight ability to carry someone. So definitely a meta piece for 2023 and beyond. We have here Space Ghost, and he is flying off to space. Bye bye everyone. Space Ghost out.